Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The petitioner, a retired lecturer, is before this court seeking the quashing of an FIR number 64/2018 dated 14 March 2018 registered at police station Tannot, Jaisalmer for the alleged offences under sections 183 and 420 IPC full stop. Briefly stated, the relevant facts shorn of unnecessary details as stated in the petition that led to the registration of the FIR are as follows: that both petitioner as well as respondent number 6 are government servants in education department of Rajasthan and seem to have got certain pre-existing rivalry with each other leading to registration of the FIR in question full stop. The respondent number 6 is junior to the petitioner and is still in service, whereas the petitioner has already retired full stop. Respondent number 6 submitted a complaint before the Superintendent of Police Jaisalmer alleging that pursuant to a letter dated 11 January 2018 issued by the Education Department asking the petitioner to confirm if any proceedings were pending against him, the petitioner filed an affidavit stating that no proceedings were pending full stop stanza. However, the petitioner at that time was facing trial in connection with FIR number 63/2011, wherein the trial court had taken cognizance of the offences under sections 420 and 471 IPC, wide an order dated 21 August 2017 full stop. A police complaint was filed by the respondent number 6 before Superintendent of Police Jaisalmer alleging that the petitioner gave a false affidavit in his department full stop. Therefore, petitioner should not have been issued a pension payment order upon his superannuation full stop. The said complaint was forwarded to the SHO Police Station Tannot, District Jaisalmer, where the FIR in question was registered full stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned public prosecutor and perused case file full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner argues on lines of the grounds pleaded in the petition that the complainant had a personal grudge against the petitioner and had been trying to implicate him in false cases even earlier full stop. After the petitioner's retirement, he is being harassed and the current FIR is being used as a tool for this purpose full stop stanza. On the other hand, the learned public prosecutor argues that the court's interference is not warranted as the petitioner was required to disclose the pendency of the case against him at the time of retirement full stop. Therefore, he has committed the offence of cheating under section 420 IPC full stop. The public prosecutor further submitted that the investigation is still ongoing full stop. Since it is for the prosecution to defend the FIR in question once the matter was reported by the complainant and his complaint was converted into the FIR in the premise, having heard the learned public prosecutor, I do not deem it appropriate in the present case to issue any notice to the complainant respondent number 6 herein full stop. I shall therefore now proceed to discuss the merits of the FIR in the succeeding part of the instant order full stop stanza. First and foremost, it is imperative to consider the background that led to the registration of the FIR in question full stop. Back in 2011, the complainant, who identified himself as an RTI activist, made a complaint to the district collector of Jaisalmer against the petitioner full stop.